the Go Show. There's no show like the Go Show by Chevrolet for 63.
For the 1963 new car season, Chevrolet presents 4 entirely different kinds of cars. Corvette, Corvair, Chevy 2, Chevrolet.
Come to the Go Show starring Chevy's new Corvettes.
Go all new with the completely redesigned Corvette Stingray. For the first time ever, 2 Corvettes to choose from, convertible and coupe. The spirit of Chevrolet. Full expression to the feeling of excitement that sparks all Chevrolets for 63.
Come to the Go Show starring Chevrolet's Corvair.
Go sporty with the 63 Corvair, the family car with the sports car flair. Like every Chevrolet car for 63, Corvair offers important advances in durability, reliability, and economy of maintenance.
Come to the Go Show starring the new Chevy 2.
Go thrifty with Chevy 2, the car that cuts the cost of owning something new. Folks who go for glamour, comfort, and action, plus economy, have plenty to be excited about in the newly styled Chevy 2.
Come to the Go Show starring the 63 Chevrolet.
Go jet smooth with Chevrolet for 63, the jet smooth look of luxury. Exterior exciting, interior exciting too, with a richness of carpeting, fabrics, and fittings TV can only suggest.
Come to the Go Show by Chevrolet. You go for the Go Show and haul at your Chevy dealers. One-stop shopping center now. The Go Show by Chevrolet.